Hi, I'm Jason Johnston. I'm the executive chef at MGM National Harbor. I hope everybody is safe and healthy. We're spending a lot more time at home than we used to, especially in our industry. And it's times like these when we all gravitate more towards the comfort foods that we grew up with. So today, what we're going to be making is pepperoni pizza. What I have here is a basic pizza dough. If you don't want to go through the steps of making your own pizza dough, you can go to Whole Foods or Wegmans or any local supermarket, and you can find some pre-made, or you could just go onto Google and you can find some really quick, simple recipes. So this recipe right here is made with King Arthur bread flour, so it's easily accessible at any of your grocery stores that you would find. Right here we have a little bit of San Marzano tomato puree. The sauce is really simple. It's just a little minced up garlic, some oregano, a little basil, salt, and pepper. And we just try to keep it as simple as possible to stay true to that San Marzano tomato flavor, that create a sweetness and acidity balance. We have a little dry moisture mozzarella, just like the typical mozzarella that you would find anywhere in any supermarket, just a little bit. And then we're going to also add some fresh mozzarella on top of that. Over here we have some nice shelf-stable pepperoni, which is super important these days. This was the one thing that I ran out for when everybody started hoarding toilet paper. I started hoarding shelf-stable pepperoni, so I could continue to make pepperoni pizza at home. Alright, so once you have your pepperoni pizza made, you just want to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top. Hit it with a little bit of sea salt. You want to scooch it in the oven. Now this bread flour recipe cooks in a traditional oven. If you get it up to 550 degrees and you preheat it for about a half hour or so, you have a baking stone. This recipe will come out just perfect in a regular oven at home. Slide it in. This oven here is a little over 600 degrees right now, and this will take about 2 to 3 minutes to bake. Pepperoni pizza. So stay safe, stay healthy, stay home.